Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn your pulp into a powdered form, making it handy and easy to dissolve. This is also a perfect way of increasing the shelf life of your pulp, especially for those who do not have freezer, and also considering the state of power supply in the country. So the first step to making your pulp powder is to process your corn or combination of grains into a pulp. I'll be leaving a link in the description box, or click on the link that pops up on the screen right now to learn how to process your corn into a pulp. Next, get a tray wide enough to contain the pulp, break them into tiny pieces and spread them out. If you are using a dehydrator or an oven, that makes the work faster and easier for you. Be sure to set to recommended temperature and time. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be sun drying. So go ahead and crush them to pieces and place them under the sun like this. Go ahead and cover the pulp with a chiffon cloth to prevent contamination, and be sure to turn the pulp at intervals. So here comes the dry pulp. This is after 2 days and it's all dried up. Next, I will use my blender and blend in batches to achieve a smooth, fine powder, just like your custard. So I'll be blending bit by bit considering the strength of my blender. Make sure your pulp dries properly for it to last longer, because if it's not properly dried, it's likely to grow moths in just a few days, and I'm sure you don't want that. After blending, set the flour aside to cool down completely. Next, get a fine mesh just like this one and sieve the flour. You are likely not to get any particles out of it, but sieving your flour helps to aerate it and make it lighter. This helps in giving you the best end result. I've actually made my pulp without sieving it. That was when I was in a hurry and I needed to make some pulp, and I just took it after blending. I got a good result, but I always feel very uncomfortable not sieving my flour. So if you are patient enough like me, I will advise you to sieve it like this for best results. Just like I said earlier, if you don't know how to process your corn into a pulp, check the description box. I'll be leaving the link there so you can watch and make your own pulp at home. There's nothing like preparing all these things at home. It makes it safer and you're sure of what you are taking in, especially if it's for your babies. So after sieving, go ahead and store your pulp powder in a clean airtight container like this, and be sure to have it for months. Now that your pulp powder is ready, it becomes handy and easy to use. You can as well consider this a business. Yeah, you heard me right. There are some busy moms out there who cannot do this. Just package it properly and present it to them. Trust me, they're going to dive into buying it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for us, share with family and friends, and if you are yet to hit on that red subscribe button, please endeavor to do so. Consider labeling your pulp powder, especially if you have other food ingredients in powdered form, especially if you're like me. Right now in my cabinet I have plantain flour, yam flour, beans flour, and now adding to it I have pulp powder, so you don't end up making plantain in place of pulp. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for coming around. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the likes. And I would love to see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.